Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 7,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @RomeroPie2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I will be sharing my latest luxury bag wish list. Please help me choose my next bag purchase. Also, I would love to hear from your wishlist bags. Kindly comment down below. Alright, so the very first one that on my wish list would be a Speedy 20 from Louis Vuitton. So why I love this bag, of course, number one is I don't have the Speedy style yet on my collection, and when I have visited LV, I have tried, of course, their Speedy, and what I am actually lusting for right now is the front leather version. So this one is a Speedy 20. So as you can see, the materials front leather. So what I love is because it's understated, it's a non-bicolor design. Of course, it's compact, yet I feel it fits a lot. Then of course, since I've already tried the size 20, definitely I would need to try the size Speedy 25. So because what I wanted for my next bag purchase would be something that I would be able to use as much as I can, and knowing what I carry with me every time, I feel that the Speedy 25 would be much better compared to the Speedy 20. But guys, please help me out, because honestly, when I've tried the Speedy 20, it's really cute, and I feel the size is not really that small. I feel it would still fit all of the essentials that I need, but this one I feel definitely would fit all of the essentials that I need plus more. So I'm a little bit confused there. So guys, next one, this one I have been wanting and dying to try, a Kiss Lock bag from Coach. So luckily, the last time that I visited Coach, Coach Philippines already have it in stock, and this is the first time that I'm seeing it in stores. So what they currently have is the black version in the calfskin leather, and of course I have to try it out. So I think the price is a little bit expensive here in the Philippines. If I'm not mistaken, it's around 55,000 to 60k, which is so expensive. And to be honest, with the black version, I was a little bit underwhelmed. So I was thinking, oh, so I was like so excited before I saw this one in person, but when I have seen this, I'm a little bit underwhelmed. But later I'm going to share what I feel is best for me. But on the same day, guys, I have seen the Coach Turnlock Haversack. This one kind of reminds me of a Louis puzzle bag, which is I feel much more better because it has more design on it. So what I love, the Turnlock Haversacks, of course, materials black calfskin leather. So it is a minimalist but very unique design. So it has a kiss lock pockets on the side and a turn lock pocket in front. So it is a shoulder bag style, and I feel, if I'm not correct, it comes with a leather strap, so you could lengthen the bag or the strap, so you could wear this one as a crossbody. So this is how it looks like when you're going to wear it as a shoulder bag. So definitely, if I would be purchasing this one, I would be carrying it as a shoulder bag like this. And this one also, if I'm not mistaken, the price is almost the same as the Kiss Lock bag that I've tried on earlier. Then of course, this is the first time that I'm seeing this size of the Tabby. So I'm just going to put the size here. I think it's a size 35 or 38 if I'm not mistaken. And what I love about this bag, guys, so Coach Tabby, I have the Tabbies in my collection, but this one, guys, I feel is so much better because number one, of the size, and number two, the leather, the calfskin leather, guys, it's very soft and very malleable. So as you know, Chanel has just released their latest Chanel flap bag, which is so big, and I feel this is very comparable to that size. So it's very spacious, it's very classic from Coach. The material, guys, of course, good quality material, and of course the craftsmanship. So as you know, Coach, the reason why Coach is really on trend right now is because the price point is not super expensive and the quality is up there that you could compare to other luxury brands. So I love this Coach Tabby. Also, same price, I think, with the Coach Kiss Lock. Then of course, guys, the Haversack from Coach also comes in like the caramel colorway. So I'm in love with the two colors from Coach. It's either in the black or either in this caramel. And in this one, super cute. I love how caramel or the colorway of the Haversack. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so the next one in my collection would be another Kiss Lock bag, but this time guys in the colorway caramel. So when I have seen this store on the other time that I visited Coach, I think I fell in love with the caramel colorway versus the black one. So please comment down below which one you feel is best for me. Would it be the black one or would it be the caramel? So they're of course the same size. I think this is the medium size for the Kiss Lock. So I am not pulling the trigger yet because I wanted to see the smallest size of the Kiss Lock and make my informed decision. So of course this one would definitely be on my wish list because of the colorway. It's very minimal but very quirky at the same time. Shoulder bag design, spacious design, and of course what I love, it's very understated. It doesn't come with any logo. Then of course another bag that I would want to add from my collection would be another Coach bag, which is the Compass 25. So as mentioned earlier, when I tried the Speedy, I don't have this kind of style yet. So this is like comparable to the Keepall 25 of Louis Vuitton, but definitely guys, the price is much more affordable and the quality would be the same. So the material of this one is the green calfskin leather guys, which is so, it looks and feel luxurious. The quality, I've tried it, and as you can see at the bottom part of the bag, there's a feet, and this one comes with a canvas strap, so you could wear this one as a crossbody bag. Super love the size of the Compass 25. And guys, this is the one that I really fell in love head over heels. So when I have seen the Compass Cargo 25 on the Instagram of one of the SAs that I'm following for Coach, when they have shown the preview of this one, my jaw literally dropped. And when I have seen this in our store, I wasn't expecting that, and my jaw dropped even further down because guys, it is so gorgeous. So the material of this one guys, it's very soft calfskin leather. It's very smooth. What I love, it comes with two straps. One is a canvas strap, so you could wear it as a crossbody. Then the way I'm wearing it right now, it's a leather strap, and you could wear it as a shoulder bag. Carrying it as a shoulder bag guys, oh my god, it's way so gorgeous. And of course what I love would be the pockets on the sides and the front of the cargo or Compass Cargo. Really chic, really beautiful, and really modern. Good job Coach.
And there, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 7K subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!